We are living in a historical era characterized by the coronavirus, which has profoundly changed many of our habits.
明日にも緊急事態宣言を発出したいと考えています。
It's our last chance to avoid contagion, or we cannot limit the epidemic. We do not want to live in the situation that other countries are facing.
The situation is very serious, and we are taking action more effectively to protect Albertans against this pandemic.
In addition, when we are with other people, this health emergency has introduced the mandatory use of a mask as an individual protection device.
Ciao. I hope that video didn't upset you too much. It's our duty to be concerned, of course, but we shouldn't be scared. COVID-19 has forced us all to change a lot of our everyday habits. And most likely, those changes are going to stick around when all of this is over. After all, our health is our #1 priority. And we have to be a bit more responsible now. We have to take care of ourselves, and we have to take care of each other. But one of the positive things that's emerged in all of this is that people try to make the best of a bad situation. They say that necessity is the mother of invention, after all. Well, M.I.p. saw this bad situation and tried to make something good out of it. That's why we invented Case4Mask, the world's first face mask case for your car. M.i.p. is a company made up of young professionals who are always looking to innovate with new designs and innovative materials. We try to make everyday objects that much better with modern technology. Nowadays, many of us have to wear masks for many hours a day. So the first chance we get, maybe when we're alone, in our car, wherever, we can't wait to take it off. But as I'm sure you've noticed, there's really no place in a car to put a mask. And so we end up putting them in places that are less than ideal. Some of us might put them on the gear shifter, which of course makes it impossible to use it safely. Others might put them on the rear view mirror, but of course that's dangerous because it blocks your vision. Maybe we'll throw it on the passenger seat next to some book bags and other things that we've had lying around for who knows how long. Or we might put it on the dashboard where it ends up slipping and sliding as we're driving and falling on the floor. All of these places are not exactly the most hygienic of conditions. No matter where you put your mask in your car, it's a risk not only for your safety, but also for your health. Because viruses and bacteria are transmitted by contacting a surface or in the air. So if you leave your mask exposed in the air or on a contaminated surface in an isolated place like a car, the risk of contamination is extremely high. That's why we invented Case4Mask, which is more than just a simple storage container for your mask in your car. In fact, it's made of a special new plastic that deactivates viruses and other microorganisms when they come into contact with it through a special oxidation process. Once the team determined that safety was the #1 priority, we sat down and tried to come up with design solutions that were both aesthetically pleasing, but also that had the best performance. We started with some sketches by hand, which led us to develop a 3D model that we could then use our 3D printers to create a prototype. With the prototype in hand, we carried out a number of assessments to determine just how well it performed. And now we can safely say that the final product is a great example of something that's practical, easy to use, and high performing. While we were designing Case4Mask, we also wanted to design the best way to keep the case in your car. There were 2 fundamental aspects to consider. We wanted something that was easy to install, but also universal, so that it could work in any car, no matter what kind of dashboard you have. What was the solution? Magnets. They're easy, practical, and with the 4 supports that we provide, you can find the solution that's right for your dashboard. Naturally, Case4Mask doesn't have to be used just in your car. It makes for a very convenient carrying case as well. It easily fits in any bag or suitcase, so you can really bring it anywhere. You can bring it to the office, where its magnetic supports will let you mount it on your desk or on a bookshelf. You can bring it to the gym and keep it in your gym bag or in your locker. And of course, it fits in any corner of your home. We originally designed Case4Mask to be black, but of course, you can customize it with any color you'd like. You can combine colors, maybe make the cover a different color than the back. And there's plenty of space to put your logo on the front. Case4Mask is the solution you were looking for. It's practical, it's hygienic, and it features a really modern design. And with 4 different ways of installing it in your car, you'll find the best way to keep it right by your side. Your mask won't be a problem anymore.